and welcome to this tech tip. Today we wanted to show you how to run a heat map in IBM SPSS statistics. My name is Astrid Cook and I'm an analyst here at version 1. So what is a heat map? Well, a heat map is a visualization that's showing values in a matrix using color. So in this heat map, we can compare average TV watching within marital status and labor force status. So have a look here. This is average hours per day watching TV. Here we have labor force status, and here we have marital status. And if we're looking at the highest average here, which is 6, you can see it here for those that are temporarily not working and widowed. And you can see it here for those who are divorced and are in the labor force status category of other. So if you want to obtain a heat map, you can go to the Graphs menu and select Graph Board Template Chooser. Here's another heat map. So again, we're looking at labor force status, marital status, and we've also paneled it by self-reported happiness. So here we're looking at very happy. Here we're looking at those who said they were pretty happy. And here we're looking at those who are not too happy. And again, we can look at average hours per day watching TV, and we can look for the highest values here. Perhaps we're interested in the lowest value here. Again, if I look at the highest value in those who reported they were very happy, you can see it's here for those who have a labor force status of other and are married, here for those who have a labor force status of other and are divorced, and so on. So it's a very quick visual tool that you can use to see a numeric variable across categorical variables. So let's see how this works in IBM SPSS statistics. So I'm in IBM SPSS statistics, and to get started, I'll go to the Graphs menu, and I'll click on it, and I want to come down to Graph Board Template Chooser. And I'll click on the Graph Board Template Chooser. Now what I'll need to do to get started is to choose the variables that I want to add into my heat map. So I'm going to pick up work status and marital status, and then I'll scroll down to TV hours. And then you can see the heat map is available. So I'll click on heat map. And when I'm ready, I'm going to click OK. And now we have our heat map. So we have the average hours per day watching TV here, and we can see it by labor force status and marital status. If you want to change the look of your heat map, I'll go back to the dialog recall box, bring back up the Graph Board Template Chooser, and I'm going to click on the Options tab. So I have the style sheet section here, and I want to click on Select. And I can change the style sheet. So perhaps I want high contrast, and I'll click OK. And I'll click OK and run that again. Slightly different look. If I want to go back and change it back, you can see I've gone on the Options tab. I've clicked on the Select button under Style Sheet. I can go back to Traditional. So you can change the look of your heat map. Now, if you want to add panels, that's easy. All you need to do is go back, select Graph Board Template Chooser, go to the Detailed tab, and we'll panel across a variable called Happy, and then click OK. And what this does is it gives us 3 panels. This is for those who reported they were very happy. This is those who reported they were pretty happy, and those who reported they were not too happy. And we can look at labor force status and marital status in each of these categories of self-reported happiness, and we're seeing average hours per day watching TV. So don't forget, if you want to run a heat map, go to the Graphs menu and pick up Graph Board Template Chooser. So that's everything we wanted to show you today. If you want more information, you can go to our website at www.spssanalyticspartner.com. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.